Hey y'all, happy Valentine's Day. A quick video here. We're done with the tank. Can't see any transitions. We don't have any alligation, any wrinkling or reaction to anything. It's kind of why we just wanted to cover all of it in primer before we put the base coat on. So far so good. As you see, it's still glossy, so it's still obviously still wet. This is what it'll look like when it's completely dry, right? It'll be dull flat, and it gets a lot darker. So tomorrow, the reason I bring this up is tomorrow we'll know, we'll hold the extension up to the tank and see what they look like. I don't think, there's plenty of paint on there. I don't think there's going to be an issue with one being darker than the other or whatever, but we're going to put a bunch of flake on it anyway, so we'll just cover all of it in heavy flake and we'll hide it, right? We'll just hide the mess. Put the exhaust fan deal together, which solved a problem and caused a problem. Obviously, it helped tremendously with the water and burning eyes. No more gushing booger snot runny nose from and not being able to see, from the overspray. But it literally tried to collapse the box on itself. It was lifting the floor a foot off the ground, bubbling up, trying to get air into it. Had to go around all four corners and take all the clamps off so it could breathe, through the overlap, and then went even further along the back and this side and put some razor blade cuts in the plastic just to get this thing so it could breathe. And when I'd step out between coats, put on a tack coat, stepped out. 15 minutes later, went back in, put on a good heavy, medium heavy coat. All around, maybe a coat and a half, came out, 15-20 minutes, let it sit. There wasn't any haze at all inside the rest of the garage like there had been in some of the other videos. So, and we take you out, the wife has stayed out of the driveway with the company truck there because it's white and we're exhausting blue, blue overspray, so you can see it was kicking it out. I tell you, I feel better just having a little exhaust in there. So yeah, thank God we get past the clear coats with these tanks, and then it's just helmet stuff. And really, the color will be nothing for overspray. We do have to run the fan unless we're going to tape all those little razor blade cuts back up, or else everything will get outside the box. So now we'll just run the fan. We'll just run the fan while we're in there, even just doing little bits of color with the helmet and stuff. And really looking forward to getting this all torn down and getting it out of here. Taking up a lot of room. There's a lot of things we could be doing. We'd rather be doing than spraying paint this time of year. So happy Valentine's Day. That's it. It's about 6:15. I'm not late for church yet, but it's going to be any minute now. Preacher going to be done. They're going to be done singing, and the preacher will be up. So I'm going to go in and get me a good dose of some scripture and some Jesus. Hope you all join me. If not, I hope you enjoy the videos. That's not looking too bad, guys. Yeah, we're a little setback, but we're right back on it. God bless y'all. Hang in there.